Why is DENT about to moon? And to what prices is KAVA crypto going in this year? Find out with me and follow me to the charts. So what do I see on this chart? Thank you for participating. DENT versus USD, 3-day chart, every coming 3 days. Now I don't know the exact date, but this is not our first video, and somewhere at the beginning of the year we made the first price prediction of the DENT. And approximately majority of this happened after that video. So, number one, check out our price prediction. It could be really fun because in that price prediction I predicted the level of 47 cents as a possibility for DENT. Keep in mind, we are not at 1 cent. Today we are at 0.6 cents. So yes, we got a few videos on DENT, check them out. And this really is something. Many of you got, let's say, if not rich, handsomely rewarded. And of course, as any other crypto out there, we had a huge and humongous pullback. And if we pull out this Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we retraced based on the logarithmic scale. Keep that in mind, almost to the 61.8% retracement. Now, after that bounce, this is the story of this video. Look at this level, which is giving us the most significant resistance. And practically this is the level that I want to talk about today and tell you that this is our biggest enemy. On the log fib, as you are seeing right now, 23.6% retracement, our final stepstone before going to the much higher levels. It's standing at around 0.7 cents, and I want you to remember this level. I'll even mark it like this, and we can remove our fib. It's no longer needed. 0.7 cents, so below 1 cent, but for DENT, a big level. Why big, you ask? First of all, it showed us so much signs of support, like here, as you can see, candles are directly laying at 7 cents, and also so much signs of resistance. Here in August, first rejection. Then here in November, a few days ago, second rejection. Now this is looking to me like DENT is pushing really hard to break that level of 7 cents. Now if you see the break of that level with full body candle that is accompanied by volume, then you will see the real stuff. And as we drew this horizontal line of support and resistance, it's time for me to draw a supported line that is not horizontal but very, very important. Now I was having in mind something like this. After the beginning of this move in February and of January, we touched this line of support in July one more time. But this was the most important thing, because this time we formed a higher low, which is a very bullish sign. In September we did that one more time, and so on and so on, a few days ago also. And now we are fighting between this line of resistance and this upward sloping line of support. Ladies and gentlemen, this is in some way ascending triangle, a bullish pattern. That's why I'm sad. DENT could be mooning. Of course, there are multiple scenarios, and I could be wrong. Never take just one side. But, in my opinion, this is looking pretty good. And the most important thing, if we follow this exact triangle that I drew right now, we have at maximum, by the end of this month, the beginning of December, until everything is resolved. By then, you will know if this is a reality, which I don't think so it will be, or far more probable thing, a move to the upside. Keep a look on the charts, they will tell you everything. DENT will have my thumbs up for this very nice setup for the upside move. And no, I didn't forget about KAVA. We are making this price prediction for this promising crypto. So let's dive into this chart. KAVA versus USD on the 3-day chart. Let's take a look what is happening. Sure, the uptrend is pretty clear, right? Up and down and up and down and up and down. Line of support, also pretty clear, right? This is January of 2021. Those boys 1, 2, 3, summer of 2021. And right now, right at this moment when this candle of 3 days, we are just hanging on DENT support. It's looking dangerous, but you know, by the probability, I will assume that the next move of KAVA is to the upside. Isn't it clear? Every time we touch this line, yeah, we could be bouncing some more on it, but we never broke it. At some point, it will be broken, but we don't have any proof that it will be now. Saying that, very closely look at this line. If we follow below this line, it doesn't matter at which level, then this huge uptrend that lasted from 2020 is broken. And that could be the death of this project. KAVA could be gone, or at least becoming irrelevant. For now, I don't think that this is the case, because the majority of cryptos, Bitcoin and the whole crypto space, I think it's going much higher from these levels today in the next few months. And this is why we are taking that price prediction. This is why I believe that KAVA will also follow. Of course, I will show you those levels. But first you must understand that we are now at the crucial point of KAVA's price action. This zone is a no-no. Above that line, we're good. And we are having, at this moment, a check mark. But this is very exciting because KAVA is really living on the ledge. Because we might have a case, as with versus DENT, of this ascending triangle, $8.20. Remember this level. This is our biggest resistance. It was established in April, in August, it confirmed it with multiple touches, and are now expecting to be touched again. So, after we bounce, if we bounce, I think we will, by the probability, you should expect a move right at the level that I just mentioned, $8.20. Now what comes next will be crucial, fundamental, however you want to call it, because then is the time for a big decision. Will we break and stay above 8.20 or be rejected one more time? And now is the time for the big price prediction. Ready? Let's go then. Again, for the price prediction, we will use Fibonacci retracement tool and reverse it from the peak. And I will use this peak of August. Now we could be using this peak from April and taking all the way to the May, but this is looking pretty significantly important, let's say it like that, although it doesn't make sense. So let's just connect that high. August, by the way, August of 2020, and this low of Christmas time of last year. What are we getting? It's getting interesting, people. And let me just point you that this is now Fibonacci based on linear scale. We remove that log scale that we used versus DENT. This way I'm getting pretty clear levels for the future. And those are our extensions that I'm talking about, okay? Now, as you can see, notice one thing. This is the first level, 161.8, $8.40. This is the line that we already touched and retraced. And here lies that significant level of $8.20 that we talked about. First target is reached. Now I believe it will be broken pretty soon, so you could be expecting the next one, and that one is $12.43. I will be brave enough and say that KAVA will travel also to the $16.73. And let's not waste any more of your time. KAVA could be reaching $19.39, so almost $20. Is this possible? Absolutely. Let's just see if KAVA can hold that premium support of existence. And now watch this video. Don't waste any time. In there we're also discussing about crypto, about technical analysis, charts is our game, and we're doing it for you. So, until the next time, watch the video, and bye bye.